Yeah.
And sit.
Ask her if she wants to sit down in the water with you.
Sit.
Erin's squatting down. Oh, up she is again.
Wow!
You got splashed.
No. Stop it.
Is that fun sitting in the pool? Ask her not to do that. Say, please don't splash me. Yeah, he doesn't want you to splash him in the face. Okay? It's okay.
It's okay, honey. Water doesn't hurt you.
You're
Yeah,
okay.
no big deal.
Just a little water.
No.
Share. You gotta share.
Give her back one. You got too many. Give one of them back to Erin. She wants that one. Yours don't drip. I see another dripping one over here, though. This one has holes in the bottom. It will drip. Zane, do you like to play in the water? Is that fun?
Are you getting Erin's leg wet?
Look at you.
You can wash it off.
Yes. Erin, yes.
Yeah, I see. Her other leg. Her feet. Can you stick your toes up out of the water? Stick them up. Whee! Did you get water in your eyes again? That's okay. It's kind of like when you're taking a bath.
No, he doesn't like it.
Water in there. Okay.
Okay. Are you filling up Erin's cup?
You're having a splash in your feet. Okay. Come here, you want to sit on my lap and do it? Come here.
Hey!
You're all right. Come here.
It's all right, honey.
Don't wash it.
Grandma will wash it. Go over to Grandma. She will wash it.
You got it. You got it off.
Are you guys having fun? Fun in the water. It's Opa.
I don't.
You ready to get out again?
No.
Zane wants to get out a minute.